Alright guys, 2008 Honda Civic, and we're going to be changing a cabin filter on this car. So this cabin filter you should change every like 10,000 miles. So the car is locked. Let me go around and get into the car. Alright guys, to change the cabin filter on this car, guys, we're gonna come inside here. We're gonna open this glove box, and you're gonna be careful because there's a lot of stuff people have in their car. So just move all the stuff in here. Man, there's stuff in here we don't want to see. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna push this right here, and there's one over here. So all you do is push on these tabs, and this glove box will come down. All right guys, and once you have it down, you're gonna find a tray in there, such as that one right here. It has an arrow on it. So what you do is you push the tab on this side. Let me try to fix my light a little bit. You're gonna push on this tab, and on this tab on this end right here, and you're gonna be able to pull this tray out of there. All right, so you push on this tab and that tab, and this tray should come out just like that. All right, once you have this out, we're gonna take this to the outside of the car. We're gonna clean this. We're gonna replace this cabin filter and make sure there's no leaves that can fall. If you have a lot of leaves here, be careful guys. You don't want to drop all the leaves inside the blower motor. It's gonna make a hell of a noise. All right guys, so let me take this outside and we'll change this cabin filter. So what I'll do is, all right guys, we leave this right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull this out. Let me set up my light over here. So all you do is you pull this out, all right? Just like that. So there's the cabin filter. There's an arrow here. We're gonna follow those arrows. Make sure, clean this off. Let me get the new cabin filter right here. So here's a new cabin filter. The part number is 3047, and we're gonna pull out this cabin filter. It comes nicely wrapped, guys. Work with one hand, guys. Alright guys, there's gonna be an arrow sign here like this one right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this area right here is gonna go into the little cuts here, and there's one over here, right? So we cannot put this because it's not gonna go in. So let's follow the arrow sign facing down, and we're gonna turn it around this way so we can get those two little tabs to stick in there. Right, so we got this filter in there, and let's walk over to the car with this, and we'll put this into its spot. So we're gonna take this cabin filter, guys, walk over to the car, and we're gonna simply take this tray, line it, take one finger, push it right in. It's gonna click. And then you're gonna grab your glove box, lift it up, and the glove box is gonna go in. It's that easy, guys, and you're done. All right, thank you for watching, and subscribe.